Yeah, Simon's comment, as I get older and busier, time feels like it moves much faster, and as such, I feel I am moving forward much slower than I want to be. And I think Simon Gardner feels the same like that. So,
I'm
yeah,
very much the same. Like with me, like I fear my own mortality, and although to the prepared wizard, death is only the next adventure, but I'm not fully prepared for death. And people say, well, you're still quite young, but I'm like, every year seems to go faster than the last, and there's so much I want to achieve. So my attitude to everything is hire somebody else to do that. And I used to be completely opposite. When I was younger, I my attitude to money was hold it for dear life and don't let anybody touch it. Now I'm just like, money is just a token. And if I can swap those tokens for somebody else's time and free up my own time where I can leverage somewhere else, it's all about prioritizing what you want to achieve in the time you have and doing it. Like, I'll go back to the helicopter. Like, I was speaking to Ashley the other day, we're out for a walk, and she goes, "You've no need for it." And it's a massive amount of money. But she goes, "I know in the next 5 to 10 years, you will bloody buy one because anything you say you're going to do, you actually do it." Which is why we're not allowed to mention her sister.
I was struggling with something quite recently, about 3 or 4 months
Mm-hmm.
ago, and it was basically middle of Q4 and killing everything, just sales flying, all the rest of it. And everything was going really, really well, hit all the targets that I wanted to hit, but I felt pretty miserable. So I'd spent some time reading up on this, and it talked about was rather than measuring forward, measuring back.